Okay, so good morning again. This is People versus Omar Perry. Mr. Perry is scheduled for trial today. Good morning, counsel. He has a couple of matters.
Yes.
He has case number SP 146140991. He's charged with no insurance. Count 2, that's 4092, open alcohol motor vehicle driver. SP 1461621, no operator's permit on person. SP 1461611, improperly displayed plate. Good morning to the parties.
Good morning, Judge. May it please the court, Janecki Nancy appearing on behalf of Mr. Perry. Mr. Perry, please state your name for the record.
Okay, good morning. What are we doing, counsel?
Judge, today's the date and time set for trial. The Officer Gozik, was present. Judge, there is a recommendation that has been presented to Mr. Perry. It is my understanding that he'd like to tender a plea. The recommendation is if he pleads to the no insurance count, it will be reduced to an improper plate. If he tenders a plea to the open alcohol in the motor vehicle count, it will be reduced to an open alcohol in the motor vehicle passenger, but there will also be a 3-month delayed sentence on that, and the remaining 2 matters will be dismissed.
Okay, so we're going to start with the no insurance, sir. You've heard the statements made by your attorney. The number 1 on ticket number SP 146-140-91. You're charged with no insurance. However, once you plead, the court's going to amend it to improper place, which is also a misdemeanor. The difference is that the no insurance has a mandatory minimum fine of $200, no more than $500, and the improper plate goes up to $500. So that means your fine is going to be less than the $200. Understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so on that ticket, what'd you do back on May 21st, 2023, about 9 o'clock in the evening? Sir, were you driving a 2005 Jeep vehicle?
Yes, ma'am.
Stopped in the area of Chrysler Drive in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you have insurance on the vehicle?
No, ma'am.
Okay, satisfied, counsel?
I am satisfied, Judge.
The court's going to take the plea to the amended charge of improper plates. Your fines and costs are going to be $245. There's a mandatory minimum mandatory minimum cost of $190 on each misdemeanor, and I gave you a $55 fine as opposed to a $200 fine. That comes to $245. At the same time and date, sir, there was open alcohol in the vehicle.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Satisfied, Judge.
It's going to accept the plea to what's called a delayed sentence. It's a 3-month delayed sentence, second opportunity to keep a clean record. I'm going to accept the plea to open alcohol motor vehicle passenger. Court's going to accept your plea for 3 months with the following conditions: no more criminal misdemeanor tickets of this nature. What that means is no more open alcohol in a motor vehicle. If you get another ticket, sir, this becomes a conviction automatically. Understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
And you got to pay the cost. Cost going to be $190. There's no fine on a delayed sentence. 90 days from today, or 3 months from today, is going to be December the 11th at 8:30 is going to be your court date. What that means, I'm going to make it non-reporting. What that means is this: if you pay the $190 and you have no other tickets, you need not return to court on December the 11th. You can. But if you do not, it's not going to be held against you. On that day, court clerk is going to pull your record, give it to the judge. If you paid no tickets, your plea will be set aside. Your case will be dismissed. It'll show as a dismissal. And it'll be mailed to you. If you don't receive it in a week or 2, you can go online the next day, pull a copy off online, or you can come down to the court and get a copy from the record room. So that's going to be $245 plus the $190. That's going to be $335 is what you're going to owe. Do you need time to pay, sir?
Like a week.
What did you say? I couldn't hear you.
I said a week.
A week, okay. So I give you 30 days to pay. You can pay it in a week. Also, sir, in addition to that, the court's going to dismiss ticket number SP 146-16121, no operator's permit on person, and SP 146-16111, improperly displayed plate. Both of those are dismissed as well. Any questions,
No, ma'am.
council?
No, Judge, satisfied.
Have a good day, sir. You're free to leave. All right.